Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to get Windows 10 for free in 2022. Most of the people love to buy the laptop, but it will come with Windows 11. So how to degrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10 or Windows 7 to Windows 10? Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my laptop, this is Windows 11 laptop. From here, so how to get my Windows 10 for free? So just open a Chrome browser and type Windows 10 download. Once you type Windows 10 download, there will be a download Windows 10 disk image ISO file will be there. So just click the link. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will tell you Windows 10 November 2021 updates are there. So after that, the updates will be closed because they concentrate on Windows 11. So what you have to do here, so how to get update now or how to get the software, just to scroll down, you will get option called using tools to get and download the option. So once you click means, so here will be a USB flash and DVD or ISO file will be there to download the file. So just click the link. That link will direct you to the Microsoft Windows Get Windows 10. So once I click here, so I have given the description link. So once you click the link, that link will direct you to the Windows 10 how to get that. So just to scroll down, so from Microsoft.com itself they have given here. So want to get Windows 10, want to buy Windows 7 or 8 PC, or want to buy copy of Windows 10 for Mac, or switch or upgrade from Windows 10 home to PC. So just click switch over. So from switch over I'm getting, so just click get Windows 10. Once you get Windows 10, there will be an upgrade to Windows 10 Pro. So you can get a lot of options will be there. So you just click here to get Windows 10. Automatically it will move into Microsoft stores. Once you click Microsoft stores will be open here. So there will be an application, that is the software, Windows 10 software, ISO software will be open here in your laptop itself. So it will take time to show your Play Store, because from the Play Store onwards it will be downloading over here. So Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro, so upgrade your workstation. So for example, you want to degrade from Windows 10 to there, so you can have this kind of access over here. So these are the system requirements. So once you want means, just click upgrade to workstation means, if you give means automatically the steps will be moved forward and it will be work and upgrade your things. No worry about this, buy this amount, because you have your product key. Each and every Windows will have the product key. So using the product key you can get your PC done. So if you give, I have Windows 10 or 11 PC product key, you can give means there will be a updates will be going on back end, and it will be degraded from your Windows 11 to Windows 10. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.